Welcome to our tutorial on deleting a conversation on Instagram using your PC. Follow these steps to effectively manage your messages and conversations. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com to access Instagram on your PC. Once on the Instagram website, navigate to the left sidebar and locate the Messages option. Click on it to access your message inbox. Scroll through your messages to find the conversation that you want to delete. Look for the specific chat you wish to remove from your inbox. Open the conversation by clicking on it. Inside the chat window, find and click on the info icon, usually represented by an eye or information symbol. After clicking on the info icon, a menu will appear with various options. Select the Delete Chat option from the menu. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the chat. Confirm your decision by clicking on the Delete button again to permanently remove the conversation. By following these steps, you can easily delete a conversation on Instagram using your PC. Keep your message inbox organized and clutter-free by managing your chats effectively. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with deleting conversations on Instagram from your PC.